we are describing second lesson of geography, physical features of India. Earlier we discussed about the two physical divisions of India, Himalayas and North Plain of India. Now we will describe the oldest physical division of India, that is Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau, that is the oldest landmass of India, and it is in the form of a tableland. Peninsular Plateau, that is made by the drifting from the Gondwana land. Broad and shallow valleys, rounded hills, these are the major features of Peninsular Plateau. They are represented in this photograph also. Peninsular Plateau divided into two parts. First, Central Highland, second, Deccan Plateau. Central Highland further divided into two parts, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now, what is the location of Central Highland? Central Highlands, they lies to the north of the Narmada River. It means above Narmada River. Up to Thar Desert, there is extension of Central Highland, and Central Highland, this part consists of Malwa Plateau. The river in this region, they flow from southwest to northeast, which indicate the slope of this area also. Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand, they mark the eastward extension of this plateau. The plateau further extended up to Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau lies near West Bengal, Odisha and Jharkhand. So we can say Central Highland, they extended from some part of Rajasthan up to their extension up to West Bengal and Jharkhand also. Next, Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau, that lies to the south of Narmada River. Its shape is triangular. The Satpura range or mountain, they makes its north part. And another hills of this Deccan Plateau are Mahadev, Kaimur and Maikal range. The slope of the Deccan Plateau, that is from west to east, and its extension up to Meghalaya also, and it is known by the another name also like Karbi Anglor Plateau, and its extension up to, we can say, Meghalaya. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia hills are the prominent ranges of Deccan Plateau. Peninsular Plateau's major parts are represented by this map also. First, Central Highland, second, Deccan Plateau, and third, Chota Nagpur Plateau.